On April 6th, I installed 4 2-pound packages of bees into beehives. I'm going to be inspecting them and see how the brood pattern was. When I put them in, I filled up some frames with sugar syrup on the outsides and left some empty frames in the middle for the queen to lay in. I gave them 2 pollen patties, the Global 15% pollen. When I checked the hives yesterday, the patties have been eaten down to scraps, and I loaded them up with more patties, but I didn't have the camera with me, so I came back today to videotape it. It's now April 24th. This is 18 days after the package install. Now today I'm going to be removing unused frames on the outside and installing a division board feeder, and they're filling it with syrup also. The second frame in, they're filled with pollen and plenty of nectar, and sure syrup, whatever's left. Third frame in, we've got brood on one side, sealed brood on the other side. Get a sealed brood on that side, sealed brood on that side. There's another frame. Queen's been lying in good. Plenty of sealed brood. Plenty of sealed brood on this side. Keep in mind, this is 18 days after the install. This was only a 2-pound package. This frame also has sealed brood. We've even got a little bit of sealed brood on this side. That's the 4th frame of brood. This frame just has bees on it. There's no brood that I see. So on this hive we had 4 frames of sealed brood off of a 2-pound package 18 days later. To a frame that's getting quite a bit of pollen stored in it. We have a nice patch of brood on this side of the frame. Nice patch of brood on this side. You can see they're already starting to cap up some of the honey they're making off the dandelions and fruit trees. Got cat brood and a bunch of eggs on this frame. Bunch of sealed brood on this side. It's the second frame. Got some drone brood and worker brood on this frame. Another frame with sealed brood on that side. And we have another frame with capped brood on that side. Capped brood on that side. We're back to just pollen on this. That's 5 frames with sealed brood on it from a 2-pound package 18 days later. Got a little bit of capped honey and pollen on this frame that the bees have made. Got some larvae on this side of the frame. We've got larvae and sealed brood on this side. And on this frame we've got sealed brood on that side, patch of sealed brood on this side. We've got a real nice patch of sealed brood on this side, about the whole frame. And once again we've got another real nice patch of brood. This frame's got a bunch of larvae in it. This side's got larvae, a little bit of capped brood down at the bottom. Last frame's just nectar. 5 frames of brood. We have sealed brood on this side a little bit. And a nice patch of brood there. And once again, we've got a nice patch of brood. And another nice patch of brood. Third frame has brood on that side. Brood on that side. You can see the queen running around down there. Nice big fat queen. There's a nice patch of brood on this frame. And got brood, eggs, larvae, and even cap and honey up here. Again, we've got another nice patch of brood. Another nice patch of brood on this side of the frame. The 6th frame also has brood on that side. Sealed brood on this side. And this 7th frame just has a bunch of pollen in it. But 6 frames with brood on it for a package started 18 days ago. And that concludes this inspection. As you've seen, these were 2-pound packages installed 18 days ago, and we've got 4 to 6 frames of brood in them. They're building up nicely.